Enough reggae music. You must have to choose it. I saw them do it at Jamaica, you know. Roll it for rubber dub.
So long it I soul up to the Jah. I soul is the thirst for God, even for the living God. When shall I come and appear before the presence of Jah? I tears of being I meet day and night, while they say unto I daily, where is thy God? Now when I sing clear upon I pour out I heart by myself. Oh yeah. For I went with the multitude and brought them forth into the house of God. In the voice of the praise and giving thanks among such as keep holy day. Why art thou so full of heaviness, so I soul? And why art thou so disquieted within I? Put thou thy trust in God, for I will yet give him thanks for the help of his countenance. I God, thy soul is vexed within I, y'all. Therefore will I remember thee concerning the land of Jordan and the little hills of Hermon, where one deep calleth another because of the noise of thy water pipes. All thy waves and storms are gone over I. The Lord has granted his loving kindness in the daytime, and in the night season did I sing of it. And I cry on to the God of my life, and to the God of Israel did I make I song. I will say unto God of my strength, for your stuff forgotten I, why go I thus heavily, God, while the enemy oppress I daily. I bones are smitten asunder, and with a sword while mine enemies the trouble I cast I in the teeth. Namely while they say daily unto I, where is now your God? Jah Almighty. Why art thou so vexed, so I soul, and why do I go mourning all the day long? Oh, I put I trust in God, for I will yet thank him, which is the help of my countenance and I God. So give Satan with I, O God, and defend thy cause against the ungodly people, yeah. Oh, deliver I from the deceitful and wicked man. For thou art the God of my strength, why have I put thy trust from thee? And why I go so heavily while the enemy oppresseth I? Like as the heart desire the water brook, so long it I soul up to thee, O Jah. I soul is a thirst for the living God, yea, even for the living God of creation. So when shall I come and appear before the presence of Jah? I tears of thee I mean day and night, while they daily say unto I, where is now thy God?